So basically, we had our terminals during that time. So I was obsessed with Salvador Dali's paintings, his philosophy. He taught me that art doesn't always have to be beautiful, it has to be true. So, out of that obsession, I made a painting in my terminals. The risk I took was I made it in an exam. I was doing an experiment in an exam. So it was like the topic was phobia. So I made the phobia of death. So I painted the god of death, Yamraj, pulling me with one hand, and and then me holding back towards art. It was like the thought was good, but the way I executed it wasn't that good. And this is the painting which I made. I know it was a disaster, but I learned something really valuable from it. When my teacher tried to warn me not to do it in the terminals, I thought I was just being creative and she didn't understand my creativity. The technical mistakes were that my technique wasn't good, and also that there was no focal point in it. Like, the viewer would get confused, where do I look first? And I was trying to over explain the concept in the painting itself. The painting should be such that you don't have to explain it, it should do the work on its own, but I just over explained it. That was my biggest mistake. Out of ego, not only this painting, I ruined a pot also. So basically, I painted a pot showing the struggle of an artist. Again, the thought was good, but the thing is, the execution lacked. Not the technique, not the skill, the planning of the execution lacked. So I learned, even to make meaningful art, you have to plan each and every move. Like, ye color kyun? Why this and why not that? Like, man, look at the Mona Lisa I made. It looks like a chopped lizard.